Let's learn to play our B minor chord. Now, in order to play a B minor chord, we're going to take our A minor and we're just going to slide it up 2 times up the fretboard to 2 positions higher. Now, eventually we're going to want to bar this and use our first finger to cover the 5th and the 1st strings. But that's a little bit tricky just yet. You may not have the finger strength for it. So a cheat to get you through is instead of covering both the 1st and the 5th, just cover the 1st string and only play the bottom 4 strings. And that's enough of the chord that it sounds okay. Ideally, you want to add in that bass note, but for now, this will do. So we want our first finger on the 2nd fret, 1st string, our 2nd finger on the 3rd fret, 2nd string, our 3rd finger on the 4th fret, 4th string, and our 4th finger on the 4th fret, 3rd string. So it's an A, slide it up 2. Now, the nice thing about this chord is that we can move it up and down the fretboard anywhere we want. So if we go down or up, we can play the chords surrounding the B minor, which would be the A sharp or the B flat minor, B minor, C minor, C sharp minor, all the way up, playing just like we learned in the chromatic scale: E, F, F sharp G, G sharp A sharp B, C, C sharp D, D sharp E. We can play any of the chords that are around that are a minor using this pattern. And this is what we call barring. But we're not doing a true bar because we're not bringing in that upper string. But if we do that later, then there are lots of minor chords that we can very easily play by knowing our fretboard. But right now we're just focused on good old B minor. Awesome.